Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial video, I will show you a simple trick how you can translate your PDF documents from one language into another, for example from English to German or from Spanish to French and vice versa, using a simple trick, all of that free of charge, online and without installing any translation software. So let's get started. So what you want to do guys is head over to Google, search and type in the search bar Soda PDF. Soda PDF is a free to use online PDF converter you may use free of charge. So what you want to do on their homepage guys is click on online tools here at the top, and on the following page scroll down till you get to that feature here, translate PDF. So click on it. On the next page click on that button here to locate the PDF file on your computer or on your device. Wait for the upload to be finished, and after a moment you will be given access to a list of available languages you may translate your PDF document to. So for demonstration purposes, let me translate my PDF document from English to Spanish. So select the language here and click on translate here at the bottom. Wait for Soda PDF to finish translating your document. That may or may not take a moment, depending, for example, on the text or document length. And after a moment you will be provided with a translated version of your PDF document, just like that. So now you may edit it or check if the translation is accurate or not, or export the given translated PDF document on your computer to keep working on it. And that's basically it guys. As you can see, super simple. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.